Okay, let's try this hyperbola question. And there's our function f of x equals 3 over x minus 1 minus 2. Well, it's got the branches in the first and third quadrant, and it's two branches like that. And the axis of symmetry, that's later. Let's do, the asymptotes is the first question. So it's y equals minus 2, and x equals the opposite of this number. That's the equations of the asymptotes. There they are. Pretty darn easy. Then you let x equals 0. You put x 0 in for x, and you get minus 3, and that should be a minus 2. That should be a minus 2 in that thing right there. Because look, it says minus 2 here, so it's minus 3, minus 2, and you get minus 5. Then you let y equals 0. That's supposed to be a minus 2. That's 0. They add 2, you get a 2 there. You multiply everything by x minus 1, you get 2x minus 2. You add 2 and get 5. Divide by 2. There's your x-intercept, 5 halves and 0, 2.5 and 0. Then you're supposed to sketch it. So you go y equals minus 2, x equals 1. Put in those asymptotes. You know the branches, the shape it's supposed to be in the top right and the bottom left. Put in your x-intercept and your y-intercept, and you've just about got it. I'd label the x and y-axis and the function f. There, we've sketched it. Now it says write down the equation of the axis of symmetry. Now I'd do it this way. I know it's y equals minus x plus c. And then you just substitute in your x value of 1 and your y value of minus 2, and you figure out what c is. Well, there's minus 1. You add it to minus 2. C is minus 1. So y equals minus x minus 1. That's the equation of the axis of symmetry. Now, our next question. They've got this, write down the range of minus f of x minus 1. What you got to do is, well, there's f of x. First, make it negative. And then you can see what it becomes. You get a minus 3 up here, and that turns into plus 2. And then they say minus f of x, then take away 1 from 2. Well, it means, shift it down 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Well, that's an asymptote. So the range is y can be anything, but y cannot equal 1. That's the place that it cannot touch. That's what an asymptote's about. And there you go.